Latest maritime accidents. Collision between tanker and cargo ship in Kiel Canal. In Kiel Canal near Kiel Locks, a tanker lost control after engine failure and collided with a general cargo vessel at around 12 o'clock local time on July 27. Both vessels sustained damages and were detained. General cargo ship, according to tracking, exited canal and was berthed in port outside locks. Although ships weren't identified, tracking indicates that tanker Orasun and the general cargo ship BBC Parna were involved in the collision. The Orasun is on the way from Latvia to Ireland, and the BBC Parna is on the way from China to Sweden. As of 14 hours 20 minutes on July 27, both ships were berthed in Kiel. Both ships reported no water ingress, nor were there any leaks occurring. An atoll in the South Pacific has refloated a Chinese longliner. In French Polynesia, Tahiti MRCC sent a helicopter to evacuate 15 crew members after a Chinese longliner ran aground on the coast of an uninhabited coral atoll, reported at night on July 23. The ship somehow refloated, by its own power or with assistance, and continued to sail in the knee direction. 4 people remain missing as offshore support vessel goes down, 61 rescued. Shengping 001, an offshore support vessel engaged in offshore wind turbine installation, developed a heavy list on July 25 in the South China Sea east of Hong Kong, in Guangdong Province waters. Over 70 people were aboard. Most have been rescued, but several remain missing after falling overboard. As of 1340 UTC July 25, the status of the ship is unclear, but she may still be afloat. Myanmar, Andaman Sea, hard aground a barge with concrete poles. On July 22, a tug lost the towed barge Singa Besar 2801 Penang in rough weather. A barge washed ashore on a beach in Mon State, Myanmar, southeast of Yangon, in the Andaman Sea. The barge is loaded with 456 concrete poles or pillars bound for Yangon. It is likely that the tug that lost the barge is Nautilus earlier this year. She traveled to Myanmar via the same barge from Malaysia. Disabled Ukrainian LPG tanker tow in Arabian Sea. In the evening of July 23, the LPG tanker Gasyogla suffered an engine breakdown in the Arabian Sea, some 50 nautical miles from a cluster of oil platforms off Mumbai, India. The drifted towards platforms. The ship was towed to Mumbai by offshore tugs on July 24. Her escorting was an ICG ship and another tug as of 0325 on July 25. The tanker is en route from Mongla, Bangladesh to Corfak in UAE. Hope you liked this video. If you have any questions or comments, drop it in comments section. Subscribe to MarinAura for more updates.